Now, you will also be able to look at reports by other metrics. One is invoice variance. Invoice variance basically means that it will compare the purchase order value to your invoice value. This is extremely helpful for you to identify suppliers who are under delivering or over delivering, or deliveries where it did not meet the expectation of the restaurants. So in this example, a rate means that the invoice is higher than the purchase order. So in this case, there's 2 cents variance. You may also scroll down and look at bigger variances. For example, in this example, there's $32.63 variance, which is equivalent to 24%. So what was delivered was 24% more than what was ordered. This could lead to wastages. You may also filter this report by specific suppliers or choose by the filtering criteria, where the invoice is higher, lower, or it matches, or if there is an invoice without matching PO. This would usually mean that either the supplier did not indicate Zeemart's purchase order in their invoice, hence they are not taggable, or the order may have taken place outside Zeemart's system. You can also export this data for further analysis.